Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your forward focus jack. First, find your jack, lug wrench, and owner's manual, usually in the trunk. Always park your car on a firm, level surface, away from traffic, and engage the parking brake. For added safety, you can place wheel chocks on the opposite wheel. Before lifting, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire, turning them counterclockwise. This makes removal easier once the car is elevated. Now, let's lift your forward focus safely. Consult your owner's manual to identify the precise jack points on your vehicle's chassis. These are typically reinforced areas designed to support the car's weight. Place the jack firmly and squarely under the designated metal pinch weld, ensuring it's stable. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle using the jack handle. Continue lifting until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing enough space for the spare. With the car lifted, it's time to change the tire. Finish unscrewing the lug nuts you loosened earlier and place them in a safe spot. Carefully remove the flat tire from the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the hub. Once the spare is seated, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. This ensures the tire is secure before the car is lowered. For the final steps, carefully lower your forward focus until it's fully on the ground. Once down, use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure and prevents the wheel from coming loose. Double-check the spare tire's pressure. It might be different from your regular tires. Drive cautiously to the nearest service center to have your flat repaired or replaced. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.